What's up everyone, Billy here with Ultra Bright Lights, and the time has come to finally show off the all-new Z-Flash BCM. This easy to install module is one of the best ways to flash your factory lights. The Z-Flash BCM plugs directly into the BCM of select GM and Ford vehicles. The port is located underneath the driver's side dash on GM vehicles and on the passenger side by the footwell on Ford vehicles. The Z-Flash BCM will flash your vehicle's front and rear turn signals, mirror turn signal lights, reverse lights, brake lights, third brake lights, and cargo lights. Let's head on out to our Silverado to show you how to install the Z-Flash BCM. Using diagnostic signals, the Z-Flash plug-and-play flasher for Ford and GM vehicles tells the vehicle to activate the respective lights using select BCM ports. The flasher module does not rewrite computer code or affect the vehicle in any way. The codes are the same that a dealer could use to diagnose your vehicle through the BCM ports. They are just as easy to remove as they are to install and leave no trace of being installed. Have you ordered your Z-Flash BCM yet? What excites you most about the Z-Flash BCM? Let us know in the comments down below. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to contact us via Facebook, Instagram, by phone, or at ultrabrightlights.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all future Z-Flash BCM videos, as well as all of the other great videos that we have to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.